Hello everyone, welcome to this Tree Nation Academy video. Within this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use the various Tree Nation tools that help companies like yours to plant trees efficiently, track your CO2 offset impact, and to engage your customers using trees. So the first thing I would like you to do during this demonstration is to log in or register, depending on where you are in that process. You just press the button here in the top right. And when you're registering, just make sure that you have register as a company dotted in right here. You just fill in your details and it's very simple, just take 2 minutes. So just do that for me and I'm going to meet you in a second. So now that you're logged in, your screen should look something like this, maybe with a different logo and a different background. And this is your official digital company forest. This is your home. This is where everything is going to happen, where you're going to track every tree that you plant and all the CO2 that you offset. So just to start off, of course, you have your name and your logo, and you can also add your website and the location of your company. So to do that, just press Edit Profile. And then you will have a couple of options just loading here. So you can change the background to anything that you like. Of course, change the company name and add a little description. Add your website link here and location, right? So this is just a basic setup, as you might expect. And then we will explore the dashboard, right? So the dashboard is this area over here. So we have trees, seeds, friends, impact, and updates. We will not be covering seeds in this video. I do cover them at length in the B2C videos. They're mainly a feature for our citizen audience. But if you would like to learn about them, I highly encourage you to just go into the knowledge base and search Seedsgame, and you will have my videos there as well. Right, but just to start off with the dashboards with trees. So of course you have the plant the tree button and then a button for becoming CO2 neutral. But you also have all of these different pictures. And what are these pictures, you ask? These are actually trees, right? Because every single tree that's planted in Tree Nation, and this could be when you're planting 50 trees at once, or you're planting 1 tree, or you're planting 10 trees, it doesn't matter. Whenever you do a plant in action, you actually customize it with a picture and a copy, right? So it's just this text here. And this is super useful if you're sending gifts to your customers or your employees or your partners. And just like here, somebody, this is actually an example that we did for a 50th anniversary. It's really cool. And you can, of course, upload your own custom images. So just to show you what it looks like when somebody arrives in your forest, they can actually check out your tree by pressing on the image. So you can see here exactly who the tree was planted for, because this tree was a gift. And then you can see some comments from Mark. And then all the details about the tree. So it's what project it was planted in, what's the specific location, and even a tree certificate that you can print, all the CO2 offset stats here as well, right? So these trees, they act like social media posts in a sense. So you can like them, you can comment on them, and of course when you gift trees to your employees, which I cover at length during all these videos, they can come in here and they can engage with your posts, right? And if you want to share your tree to social media after you liked it, you just press this button here and you pick what social media you want to share it to, or you can of course just get the link. But in order to see the share button, you need to press the like here, okay? Now moving on to the next part, we have the Friends dashboard. So the Friends dashboard is basically anybody that you've ever sent a tree gift to on Tree Nation. And you can pretty much have a dashboard of all the customers pretty much that collected your tree in the past. Then you have the Impact dashboard. So just give it a second to load. And this is an incredible dashboard here with loads of brilliant information about how many trees you've planted, where were they planted, and you can see that on a map. How many hectares have been reforested because of your work, you can also see that, and the CO2 offset in terms of tons, right? And then you have by year, by quarter, and by month, all the data collated just for you. Of course, this is just a test profile, so we don't have that much here. And then the species, you're pretty much the favorite species of the profile that's planting, right? So, and the the category of a tree species, right? Here you also have a button for the offset website label. It's another great thing you should check out, and I cover that in detail in one of the other videos. And then finally, you have the updates. And this is a very important part of the dashboard, because when you plant in one of the projects, Tree Nation, it's very important not to confuse a forest, which is this, which is your own place, and projects, which are actual, real tree planting projects that we actually work with. This is where you will get updates from them straight into your forest, right? So whenever you plant in one or you happen to follow one, which is another thing that you can do, you will get updates straight from the field telling you what's going on, and then you can, of course, comment, you can like, you can engage with them like on any other social media. Now, I just want to finish off this demo with a real-life example, and this is Barner Ventures, one of our clients. You can see here, they planted over 50,000 trees and offset over 5,000 tons of CO2. You can see exactly what the trees look like in their forest. And as you can see here, planted for Jana, planted for Paul, all of these names, they're actually Barner customers because Barner plants a tree every time they sell a product, right? So this is pretty much what the experience is like, and their customers can come in here and comment or like it and generally engage with it. So let me actually show you one of those examples. So this is a really nice example with Ana Mendez, one of their customers, and they planted a tree for her, and she actually went here and she commented how much she appreciates it. So this is something I think could be very useful within your strategy to use tree gifting, and just to show you exactly how that would look. And then one more thing, just to show you what a filled out impact section would look like. So just let it load. And here we are. So it looks really, really nice. The amount of progress Barner is making reforesting the world and all of the different projects that they've been planting in. It's really wonderful. So I hope you found this useful, and we are looking forward to helping you plant trees. Thank you so much.